Yes, it's another day, which means there's another upload here on Anthony Allen Edits. My name's Anthony Allen. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Anthony Allen Edits, the YouTube channel that is all about all things editing, teaching you how to edit so that you can tell the stories that you would like to tell in the way that you would like to tell them. And here in this video, we're going to teach you how to create custom pictures for your Instagram posts. It's going to be a cool one. Let's get into it. We're going to do it solely from your mobile. So I'm teaching you how to do this from your mobile. You won't need a desktop at all. So without further ado, let's get into it. So as I said, we're going to be creating custom pictures for Instagram via your mobile. Now in my case, I have an iPhone, so I'll be showing you how to do this on iPhone. But it should work also for you Android users. So the application that we're going to use is called Canva. I've spoke about it on my channel before. I highly recommend Canva for those of you who are getting started, especially here on YouTube if you don't know how to create your art. So in this terms, we're going to be talking about Instagram. Maybe you have an Instagram business, or maybe you're a YouTuber or someone who just needs a custom picture. If this is you and it applies to you, definitely stick around to the end of the video because there is more to come. But without further ado, let's have a look. So here we are. You should see my phone now either on the right or the left of me, depending on which side I choose to place it. And now what we're going to do is you can see Canva in the top left hand corner of the screen. We're going to actually press this. Well, it's my left. I'm not sure if it's yours. From here, we're actually going to select one of the two. So once you've signed up to your Canva account, you can sign in with a Facebook account or a Google account, depending on which one you have. You can just click log in with Google or log in with Facebook. I've actually skipped that stage here in this video. It should be really easy for most of you though. If you have any problems with it, just hit me down in the comment section down below. What we're going to do is we're going to, what you'd normally do is you scroll through and you'd look for your selection for what you need. In our terms, we're going to use Instagram posters right at the top here. So we're going to select that. Now this has opened up another menu where we can start a blank canvas and we can put into that picture whatever you like. Or you can go for one of the templates. Now the templates are pretty cool. There are quite a few different templates that you can use. For example, I like this one because people use quotes a lot on Instagram. So I think we're going to do that one. We're going to do dream it, then do it. So I'm going to select this one right here. From here, then what you want to do is you want to select edit, which is just at the bottom of the thumbnail. Cool. So at this point, if that picture there, well, I've already clicked it, so just press done. I jumped ahead there. So the picture in the background you can actually change to whatever you like. I've taken a few pictures already ready for this process, but whatever's on your camera roll, you can replace that picture in the background, which is the reason why I selected this template. Most of the templates have a placeholder where you can place pictures, especially with your Instagram posts. In our case, what we're going to do now is we're going to click the background, which is a picture, and we will then be able to replace that with one of our own. Good, that was really easy. Now you can see that this is given a dark sort of tone over the top of the shot. That's what we wanted because the focus is actually the quote, not the picture in the background. The picture in the background is there for support. I think you can actually move this picture around, so we're going to try that now as well. I've been clicking that with my thumb. So I'm just going to move. No, it's zooming into the shot, isn't it? So okay, it's one of those placeholders. It's just worth experimenting around and picking a template that suits you in order to mess around with that. If we started with the blank canvas, we would be able to stretch and shrink the picture in the background and just layer up with just the text on above it. But that text, you can actually change that if you double click it. You can change this to whatever. Haters gonna hate. It's very quick, very easy. We can double click the text on the bottom as well. I mean, it is really off-putting because the placeholder, but we're just going to get rid of the bottom layer. I can't actually see that right now. There we go. I've got rid of the text that was there, and we can move the text around, and very quickly and easily, we have got a Instagram post that we created, a custom Instagram post. You can actually change the color of the text as well to whatever you like without double clicking it. You just click it once. Hey, we're already there. You click it once and then there you have it. You can change the colour or make it change the opacity. Then you can change the colour if you like to whatever you like. Ooh, it's a bright blue. Yeah, that's alright, isn't it? Or red. Haters gonna hate. And that is the first example of creating a custom picture for your Instagram post. What you can then do is you can actually export this. So I'll show you how to do that firsthand. You can download it. See, I clicked share last time I used this application. But you don't actually click share. There's a download button right next to it. You want to click that download. Now you can see that it's preparing the image and it's going to download it straight to my camera roll. It gives you a message in between just telling you about the other features that are available. That has now been downloaded straight to my camera roll. If I go into my camera roll, that picture is now available. You'll be able to see that when we go to make another example now. So let's do another example for those of you that are like, I need to see more. I want to see some more. Let's see some more. So I click the plus sign. I'll go back to Instagram post. Let's click something a little bit more complicated. Like for example, this is great. This is a good one. Right, so here, again, there are placeholders, places that you can click and change it to the picture that you would like. This is going to be one of them. I'm now going to click, this is my camera roll, by the way, so you can now see the picture that I've just created in the camera roll. I'm going to select a picture of myself, because I'm conceited like that right now. And I'm going to do the same for the other one. I can do the exact same thing, just click on it, select the picture that you'd like. Now we're going to click on the background, and we're going to change that to the image that we've just created. Now there is some text on the bottom. I'm going to double click this text. I'm actually going to get rid of it because I don't want it in our shot. I don't like it. And another custom image made very, very quickly. I'm actually going to upload this one to Instagram because I like the way it looks. Just going to click the download button. It's getting there. Just making the magic happen, man. It's making the magic happen. It's done. Okay, yeah. Save to camera roll. It's actually telling me it's saved to camera roll now. I think that might have been a bug or something I need to fix because it wasn't telling me last time. I'm not sure if I saw that tab at the top. But there we have it. I'm just going to stop the recording on my phone now. Stuttering for a bit then. I'll just put my phone down. Okay, that's all done. So there we have it, guys. That is how you can create yourself some custom images for Instagram quite quickly and easily using just your mobile phone. I absolutely really heavily endorse Canva. I'm not getting paid by them, by the way. I just really like the software that they have available on your mobile phone. I also enjoy using it on desktop as well. I highly recommend using Canva if you are a photo editing beginner. If you're getting started and you're not used to how to, resizing things and transforming images, this was a really good application, and the software is absolutely brilliant, and it's well worth just getting on their free website or using this free application on your mobile in order to get started, so you can create the images that you need to create in the way that you need to create them for example, in this video, Instagram. There we have it, guys. Hopefully you really enjoyed this video and it's been helpful to you. Give me a thumbs up if it has. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because I have uploads for you every single day here on Anthony Allen Edits to help you with your editing, so that you can tell the stories that you want to tell in the way that you would like to tell them. So we're done for this video now. I've got another one for you. Of course I do, because I'll upload every single day. And that's watching Anthony Allen Edits, and see you in the next video tomorrow or right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.